Hi, welcome back to Specialty Eats, brought to you by ABIRC. Today we're focusing on Thai chilies. My name is Key, and I'd like to welcome our super chef, Brenda.
Thank you.
So Brenda, what are we gonna do with our Thai chilies today?
Today we're going to do a very basic chili sauce. Okay?
Nice, that sounds
very
so
basic
yummy.
chili sauce that anybody can do. Okay, we will start. I'll show you.
Okay.
I'll show you how to cook. First, we will put chili first. I'll give you a spoon.
Okay,
Maybe we
thank
use
you. Should I use this as the
half.
mixing bowl?
Yes.
Okay.
You can use.
So about half
And
of this.
you can use the whole. This will serve about 10 people.
Okay.
Yeah.
So all of it.
Put
Will
all
it
of
be
it
too
in.
spicy?
It will not.
Okay.
That's what chili sauce is all about.
So, what makes our Thai chili that we're using today unique or special compared to our maybe some other more common chili like jalapenos or habaneros?
Well, to me, jalapeno and habanero has a scent because they have thicker flesh. Now the chili has thin flesh.
Oh, that's
Okay.
correct.
And then we can also grind it with the motard.
Oh,
With
okay.
the chili, so that's what I chose Thai chili, and I like Thai chilies. And the spice, the heat is hot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And then we will add chopped lemongrass.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Put
you.
the whole thing.
All of it? Okay.
Put the whole thing. And then to that we'll add chopped green onion.
Okay. Thank you. Wow,
Good.
it smells really good already.
I like the color. And I have ground kaffir leaves. They're type like lemon leaf, family of the lime and lemon family. But this particular type we use just the leaf.
Just the leaf.
Just the leaf. So you can scoop that. And right here we have chopped garlic. Fresh chopped garlic give that garlicky smells. And if anyone doesn't like garlic, you don't have to use it. Okay.
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 And this is
ginger. We won't use that right now.
okay.
Yeah. We use.
I'm not a food expert, but I do know that, when I use Thai chili at home, it definitely brings a lot of heat and flavor, but it also brings a little bit of like a fruity flavor to it, a little bit as well. But I know it brings a lot of heat.
Yes.
Is there like a special trick that you use or a special recipe that you use to maybe like for those individuals that, maybe the spice is too much, maybe we could take it down a notch or make it more mild, yet we don't lose the flavor of the Thai chili?
Yes. What I do, one thing that I did was I used a little bit sugar.
Okay.
Yeah, I add sugar in there, and then I add lime.
Okay.
Lime juice or lemon juice. And we have one piece here that you can use. Probably about, if you're using juice, about one teaspoon.
Okay.
Yeah, of juice. So you can squeeze that in there.
Get the little seed out.
And put this all the way. This side. Good. Okay, I'm ready to smell the lime juice. And then we will use about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. This is fish sauce, and you could get anywhere at any Asian store for fish sauce.
Okay.
2 tablespoons.
Thank you. So 2 tablespoons. So this is also another way to mild out the Thai chili.
Yes. And then we're going to use, again, like I said, sugar.
Okay.
Okay, this is about 1 teaspoon of sugar. So I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of sugar in here.
Okay.
And I have the cup of water over there. We will use about 2 tablespoons of water.
2 tablespoons
Yes.
of water. 1 and 2.
Okay, and then we're ready. You can mix them up and we have that.
Okay, so this is actually a really simple sauce to mix. So it's all fresh ingredients.
Yes.
And we didn't have to cook anything, right?
No,
Okay.
and you don't have to use all the ingredient. If I know that some of you does not like onion,
Okay.
you can leave the onion out, or if you don't like the garlic, you can leave the garlic out. Basically, just lime, chili, and sugar if you want to.
Okay. And then how long should I stir this for? Just like a quick stir?
That
or-
is fine.
Okay.
That's fine right there. Okay, let's show them. This is a very simple chili sauce. And you can use these on any barbecue meat, any fish soup.
You
You can eat it with rice too.
Yeah,
Yes.
you can eat it. Can you use it like similar to like a dipping sauce as well?
Yes, you can.
Okay, perfect.
Anything that you like. Fried food, soup will be good for this one.
Perfect.
Okay, we have this one set aside. Since we make this one, I'm going to show you how to make using Thai chili, and this time we're going to cook. Okay, we're going to cook.
Okay.
And
Okay, Brenda, let's cook some shrimp.
okay, you got the stove,
Yep.
the pan. The stove. So before we start, I'm going to show you another way, a different way. What we this shrimp, I cleaned it up already. I wanted to show that if you want your shrimp to spread out its wing like the butterfly,
Okay.
that you would need. This is not cut yet, so you want to go as deep as you can to the center
Okay.
and go all the way back, and that flatten out.
Oh.
So this makes the
To
shrimp.
butterfly the shrimp? Okay.
Once you cook it, and it'll spread out its wing, so it looks
Nice,
more. Yeah.
nice.
So even food needs appearance too.
Okay. Thank you for that neat trick.
Okay.
So for those of us that are not normal chefs or super chefs like you, butterflying the shrimp allows it to kind of spread its wing.
Yes.
Perfect.
Makes it look bigger.
Okay. What I'll do is let's turn on the oven. Okay. And should I have my heat on medium, low, or high?
Let's do medium.
Medium. Okay.
Okay. And then this is olive oil.
Okay.
This is about 2 tablespoons of olive oil
Perfect.
for about a pound. A
shrimp?
pound of shrimp, yes.
Okay.
And if you prefer more oil, you can use more, but we use olive oil today. Okay. And then we will fry all of the herbs first.
Okay.
Yeah, kind of grill it. So we will do, I'll let you hold. We'll do the garlic.
Okay. So first is the garlic goes in.
Yes. And then we'll do the lemongrass.
The lemongrass.
And then the kaffir.
The kaffir lime leaf.
Yes.
Okay. Again,
You
I'm
can
not
add the
sure.
ginger in there.
Add the ginger
Yeah,
too?
you can add
Perfect.
ginger. Okay.
Oh, I could smell it already.
So you want it to brown a little bit.
Okay. Let's brown out our aromatics. Okay. Okay. So how long should we wait before we add our next item?
Well, that
Like, what do you
depends.
look for? Like, are you looking for a smell, a look, or is there something specific?
I look for smells. I
Okay.
make sure that I smell all the cook, especially the
wow.
garlic
Yeah.
and the lemongrass
Okay.
and the kaffir. And in addition to that, I would also look for the brownness in there to crispy, just crispy a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. I think that's good.
Okay.
And then you can add the. Let's try something new this time.
Oh.
Yeah, let's add a little bit of chili to make, so we have like chili oil
Okay.
for color.
Okay.
Okay.
Now should we
There
add our
you go.
shrimp?
Okay, now add your shrimp here. There you go.
Oh, you can hear that sizzle.
Yeah. And then I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of oyster.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I'm going, this is tamarind paste.
Oh, nice.
This
Okay.
takes the sour.
Okay.
It gives the sour taste a little bit different than lime juice.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's gonna help offset the spiciness and the heat of the Thai chili too, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Just for those of us that can't handle too much heat.
And then keep in mind that the tamarind has salt.
Okay.
Yeah. So you by using this, you don't need to use a lot of salt. Well, for this dish, I will not even use salt.
Oh, okay.
So you use all of this.
Perfect. Wow, it smells amazing already.
I'm going to use about 1 teaspoon of fish sauce.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to use about 1 teaspoon. Okay.
So for those of us that have not used fish sauce, why did you use just a little bit?
To me, it gives a small scent of fish
Oh,
Yeah, if you
okay.
don't like fishy,
Okay.
taste, then you could add salt.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
add
it's
salt.
substitute the salt.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Or you could add chicken flavor.
Oh, okay.
Chicken flavor, so you can mash a little bit. Okay. Let me give you some more chili, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Because this is a Thai chili spicy. So you want it to be spicy. There you go.
Wow, the color looks so good.
Should do it, yeah. Need some
And
more.
then it also, I mean, the color looks great, but it smells even more amazing.
I could smell the chili.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of water.
2 tablespoons
Yeah.
of water.
Yeah, so 2 tablespoons of water. Okay. And then it depends on how cooked you want your shrimps to be.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want it a real cooked shrimp, then you can cook longer.
Okay.
If you want half and half, then you can stop right there. And then we'll add some green onion to it.
Okay.
That should
Okay. And then should we turn off the
Yes.
stove now?
I can smell the chili. Well, that looks good. Here, I'll give you a plate.
It looks amazing. I mean, it looks great, but it smells even more amazing. Okay.
Let's put a plate. There you go. Well, these are 2 simple dishes that you can cook with Thai chili.
Should we taste this?
You can.
Let's taste it first. Let's give it a little bit of a taste.
Well, since you cook, why don't you taste it?
What? Okay, I will be our taste tester. I'm sure it's gonna taste amazing because it looks wonderful. Let's I'm just gonna use my hand, okay? Because it's spicy, it's hot.
I can smell the heat. The spicy, I can smell from here. So I think it's gonna be real hot.
Wow.
What do you think? It's good.
That is amazing. The right amount of heat from the Thai chili, but the aromatics is so, it's like you're eating and smelling all at the same time.
Yes, yes.
But it's amazing. It looks amazing,
Good.
but it tastes even more amazing. The Thai chili does bring in a nice heat,
Yes.
but it's not overpowering because you added all these nice ingredients to kind of mild
That's
it
right.
down. But you can still definitely taste the heat though.
Yeah. I could smell more.
Yeah.
Of the heat and the taste, and I could see.
Yeah.
I could see that there's a lot of chili. Maybe I'll pass this time.
No, we should all try a little bit. For those of us at home, we encourage you guys to try our Thai chili, well, Brenda special Thai chili stir fry with shrimp. It's amazing.
We'll see. Thank you.
Thank you, Brenda.
Okay.